Hey, what's going on, people? I'm coming at you with another video, and today I'm gonna take you through this 70 Chevelle as I start this rewiring process. I actually started already, and I figured, oh man, I might as well record and let the people see some of this what I'm doing right here. So I got some of the stuff already broke down, and I'm gonna show you some of this stuff. Which what I got right here is a painless performance wiring kit for 70 to 72 direct fit Chevelle. So this right here I got, it was a full kit. As you can see, I took some of the parts out already. I was checking out this book and everything like this. It's a 26 circuit chassis harness kit. And this kind of gave me like a broad instruction or whatever, what to go over and how to separate everything and know what you're looking at and doing. So I read through whatever that comes with it. It comes with everything already labeled, cut to length, spliced and everything with kind of some plugins. You got to do some splicing yourself, like what we got right here. Then it's got some extra pieces for the splices and everything like that. Some extra fuses. So got a little bit of work to do. So here's the main circuit, new circuit board and everything. 26 circuits already pre-wired. Some come to length. I did some separation. You probably can't see. Yeah, so here you can see the old school. I gotta rip this out. The old school, I started unscrewing the dash. I got the new stuff ready to go in. A little bit separated. I got the driver's seat out. I got the back seat out. So, you know, I got a few other things I'm gonna do while I'm in here. I started separating and pulling apart a few things. The old wires going to the back. Yeah, this old stuff gotta go. I started disconnecting some harnesses and whatnot, taking the dash apart. I gotta get up in there and figure out what's what. Take all that apart. Then I gotta get up under the hood. I'm gonna reroute this stuff, clean it up. I'm gonna get rid of this. This the old. Get this stuff out of here. Reroute a lot of this stuff. This old wiring, get all this out of here. Get the new stuff in. Get it routed in a nice, neat way. So, yeah, I'll be coming at you real soon with some updates.